Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You have a lot of homework to do, so you have a lot of installations to do. We're going to install another Windows environment. This one's going to be something's free. So as you notice here, I'm at developer.microsoft.com. So let me do. Actually, I don't think that'll work. Yeah, there you go. So as you see here, zooming in on all this stuff. There's a website address that you want to hit. So what we want to do here is we want to go to download. We're going to choose MSN, MS Edge, not MSN. And then for platform, if you're doing VirtualBox or VMware, whatever we're going to do, and this one I'm going to do VirtualBox, and hit download zip. And it looks to be about 4.3 gigabytes. So once that's downloaded, we'll continue our video. Alright guys, I am back better than ever. Just kidding. Alright, so let me download that zip. And we are going to extract it. And we're going to extract it here. Alright, so it's going to take some time to extract the video. Oh my gosh. Extract the file, not the video. So after we have everything included, this will be a two-parter part. So this week we're going to talk about, in our class we're going to talk about hacking, but the majority of your homework assignment will be installing stuff. And next week we'll actually be able to do stuff. But, you know, it's a work in progress per se. So this is almost installed. Countdown it is. And this way I don't have to give you guys a thumb drive. You can just download it yourself. Alright, keep coming, keep coming. I'll pause this till it completes. Alright guys, we're back. That finally is done downloading, so I'm going to go extract that as well. Maybe. So right click, extract all. VirtualBox, this is free from, I already did this? Alright. Apparently I already did this. Alright, so now I'll go back over to VirtualBox, create new, I'll call it Windows, this is 10, 64-bit, hit next, how much memory, 2 gigs is fine, hit next, we want to create a new disk, we want to use an existing disk. Actually, I closed out of that because I don't think we have to do that. We go out to the file that we extracted and double click on it. No, okay, so I was hoping that it was going to open up on virtual machine. It didn't. VirtualBox on it. Let's hit cancel real quick. See if I can open it up on there. So right click. Oh, jeez, no. Right click. Alright. It's froze up on me. Good. Let's try this again. Right click and open with. I'm gonna try VirtualBox. It wants to do VMware. And I want to try to choose VirtualBox and see if it'll let us do it. VirtualBox. Huh. Oh, VirtualBox. So let's do Oracle. See if it comes up. virtual box. See where I find it. There we go. I don't know if it'll be that one or not. Alright. Let's do virtual box, see if it opens up there. It did. Oh, jeez. Alright, so it goes down here. Memory is 4 gigs. We're going to change that once we get it into our library, so I'm going to hit import. So once we get to our library, we'll change it down to 2 because that's a lot. So now it's going to install. It's going to take some time. I'm going to pause this video and come back. Alright guys, I'm back. The Windows is up right here, so I'm going to make a change to it. The memory is too much for me. So that's storage. Sorry. Alright. Go down here. Go to 2048. Perfect. 2 gigs is fine. Okay. Let's make sure it works. Yes, I have a Mac up here. You could create a Mac instance as well. Alright, let's go out of here. Trying to start up. It's taking a while, but we are installing here. What you should get is the default background for Windows. And that's it right there. My screen froze, so I can't show you the rest of it. But that'll help you get Windows installed. Thanks for watching. Bye.